Hey guys, this week we're going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to show you how to enter it here in just a few minutes. Stick around. Hello and welcome to this week's edition of BS with AJ. This week we're going to be doing a giveaway because I finally reached 1,000 subscribers, and it's all thanks to you guys. I've been working on a YouTube channel for about 1.5 years now, and I've had a whole lot of fun making all these projects. But it's been a lot more fun seeing how much interaction I've had from these videos. And it's been 1.5 years, but it's only been 1.5 years and I've already got 1,000 subscribers. So I'm pretty satisfied with that, doing pretty well, I guess you could say. But I definitely want to give a shout out to all you guys, all you loyal subscribers who's been here since the beginning when I really wasn't that great at making videos and everything. I'm still not that wonderful, but getting by, whatever. Anyway, the whole reason for this video is we're going to be doing a giveaway, and I'm going to put a link down in the description below. It's going to show you 9 different ways you can enter this giveaway. Now the 2 prizes we're going to be giving away this time are a $25 gift card to Lowe's, and we're also going to be sending out a PVC Native American style flute that I showed you how to make in a previous video. Now if you haven't seen that video, I'll go ahead and link that in the description below just in case you don't win, so if you like to make one yourself. But I know what you're probably thinking. This looks like a regular recorder, but it sounds completely different. I'll go ahead and show you what it sounds like a little bit. As you see, it sounds pretty cool, and it's really a lot of fun to play with. So those are the 2 prizes for this week's drawing, and it's actually going to be up for 30 days, I believe. The ending date is 27th of August. So like I said, there's 9 different ways you can enter this contest. And I'm going to be sure and put the link down in the description below. It'll be at the very top. You'll just click on that and it'll take you to this other web page. It has 9 different ways you can actually enter it. Some of them are going to be worth 1 entry, some of them are worth 2, and there's a few of them that are worth 5 entries. So the more that you do, the higher chance that you're going to be able to win this prize. And some of them you can even do more than once. So I think you can do it daily. And it's going to be up until the 27th of August. So there's plenty of time for you to go through there, and then you can go to the Facebook page or some things on Twitter you can do. If you go to the YouTube page, I believe you can get some from it. There's also a bonus one for if you do 5 of these actions or more, you get to have 1 extra entry on that one. So there's quite a few ways to enter it, so there's a lot of chances that you can have to win this. So I wanted to thank you guys once again for helping me to get this far, because I definitely couldn't have done all this without you guys. You guys are the ones keeping me to making this channel, keeping me making these videos and everything. Seeing all the interaction I get from each and every one of you guys is just great. It makes me want to just keep moving forward with it. And I've always tried to do videos that explain really well in detail on how to do these things, because I know I've struggled in the past. I've struggled in the past trying to find videos that actually show enough detail on how to do projects. I don't want my videos to be like that. So I definitely always try to put more and more detail in them as best I can so that everybody can understand it, even if you've never messed with a lot of the things that I'm doing. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and consider supporting BS with AJ on Patreon so we can do bigger and better projects for you guys. And I'll see you next week.